Thank you for coming back to my channel. Tonight, I'm going to make some fried rice. A lot of people will say, oh, how do you make fried rice? How do you make Chinese fried rice? First of all, turn on the wok. Put some oil in. So, I don't really have a ground beef, so I'm just going to use the burger meat, burger patty. So, quick cook for the meat. A little bit salt. A little bit salt. Alright. And I got some ham too, so I'm just gonna put it into. Oh, not the rubber band. Alright, it's almost gonna turn. So I'm just gonna take it out first. Alright. Put some more oil in. Turn down a little bit. So I'm gonna use 1 egg or 2 eggs. 1 egg. Maybe two. Alright, now I got a little bit. Yeah, the egg here. Now I'm gonna put the rice in. Best rice is from the fridge. Overnight, right? Overnight rice. Ooh. Ooh, overnight. There we go. All right, make sure that put some oil in. Ah! Now I'm gonna put salt in. See some Western people using soy sauce, which is, I don't think so. Ooh. And now, the most important thing is green onion. Alright, green onion. There you go, green onion. I don't even chop them. I'm just using a scissors. Just cut it off the top. Wow, that's the best part. Green onion. Ooh, toss. Smells good. And then now you put all the meat in. More green onions smell better. If you like, you can put some pepper. I don't like it, but some Vilo likes to put some pepper in. Here you go. You're done. This is easy fried rice. Less than 15 minutes. One thing you have to remember, you have to use the highest temperature, and you have to keep tossing. All right. Thank you for watching. Hopefully it helps next time when you need to cook something fast. Subscribe. Have a good night.